Hello students, we have already completed one chapter in grammar, which is tenses. So now in reader portion, this year you will have two books. So we'll start with the first book, and the name of the book is First Flight. So first we'll complete all the chapters from this particular book, and then we'll head on to the next one. So the first chapter in First Flight is A Letter to God. Now I want you to know that I am not going to explain the chapter line by line. I have written down the summary and I will read it out to you. Further, I will explain whatever is required. After we are done with the chapter, after you are done listening to the video, what you have to do is read the actual chapter which is mentioned in the book, so that further if you have any doubts you can ask me. So now let's begin with the summary of the chapter. The story depicts unwavering faith of a farmer in God. It begins with a farmer named Lencho expecting for a rain shower to nourish his field of corn. एक character introduce किया गया है story में, and the name of the character is Lencho. He is a farmer. Now what happens is, because he is a farmer, like every farmer, he was also expecting rain. बारिश होगी, उसके crops जो field में उगेंगे वो उसके लिए profitable होगा. He is going to earn money via that. Money for living. He is confident that his harvest is going to yield him huge profits just like it does every year. So this farmer Lencho, he was very excited because जैसे हर बार ही उसका बहुत अच्छा profit होता है, he was confident कि इस बार भी बहुत अच्छा profit होगा. To his utmost excitement, rainfall did happen, but sooner it turned into a hailstorm destroying his entire crop field. Now what happened? He was very excited कि जल्दी से बारिश हो. He was waiting for it. No doubt बारिश हुआ, लेकिन वो अपने साथ तूफान लेकर आया, और इतना भयंकर तूफान कि उसका जितना भी क्रॉप्स था फील्ड में, everything was destroyed. The damage posed a threat to the family's survival as their entire livelihood was dependent on the year's produce. Now, ये जो damage हुआ तो हुआ, लेकिन पूरे साल का इनका जो earning होता है वो इस crops की वजह से होता है. Now, because the crops are destroyed, they have no money for survival. How are they going to fill in their stomachs? How are they going to arrange food for their family? Because obviously the crops were destroyed. Although disheartened, the family had robust belief in the Almighty. Now, everybody, they were all sad because उनका सारा crops expire हो गया था, खराब हो गया था, destroy हो गया था, but they had strong faith in Almighty, in God. Lencho, despite having worked day and night at the field, knew how to write and thus decided to write a letter to God explaining his situation and asking for help. Now, Lencho was a farmer. Farmer पूरे दिन अपने field में busy होते हैं, but still Lencho was educated enough कि वो एक letter लिख पाए. So he decided कि वो God को एक letter लिखेगा, अपनी situation बताएगा that he is in trouble and he will seek for help. He will ask for help from God. He went to the town to post his letter addressed to God. Now letter लिखने के बाद वो town area में गया उस letter को post करने के लिए. लेटर के ऊपर लिखा हुआ था टू गॉड. The letter, on being noticed by the postmaster, at first amused him, but then motivated him want to do something for the farmer so as to keep his immense belief intact. Now, जब लेंचो ने अपना लेटर पोस्टमास्टर को दिया था, postmaster saw that the letter was written to God. So he decided to, he was surprised at first कि ऐसा लेटर कोई लिखता ही नहीं है. Obviously, even we find it weird. So, what did the postmaster do? The postmaster had read the letter. उन्होंने वो letter पढ़ लिया था, and then he wanted to help the farmer. He said that he is going to help the farmer because the farmer has immense faith in God. The postmaster was very kind-hearted. वो बहुत ही अच्छा इंसान था, and he did not want कि जो लेंचो का trust है God पे वो break हो. So he decided to help him. Now, the letter that Lencho had written to God, उसमें उसने help मांगी थी God से कि उसे 100 pesos की ज़रूरत है. Pesos is a currency. He wanted 100 pesos. So, when the postmaster got to know about it, he contributes from his salary and collects money from his colleagues and friends who willingly contributed for an act of charity. To his dismay, he could only collect 70 pesos, which he wrapped in an envelope to make it seem like a reply from the deity. Now what happened? पोस्टमास्टर ने वो लेटर पढ़ा था और उसमें लिखा हुआ था कि लेंचो को 100 पीसोस चाहिए. तो क्या किया द पोस्टमास्टर? उसने अपने सैलरी में से और कुछ लोगों से पैसे इकट्ठा करके टोटल 70 पीसोस कलेक्ट किए एंड एक एनवेलप में डाल दिया ताकि लेंचो को लगे कि दिस इज अ रिप्लाई फ्रॉम गॉड. On having found the letter, the writer Lencho is not at all shocked, but instead he gets angry on finding that the amount is less than what he had expected. Now, जब लेंचो को वो लेटर वापस मिला था एज अ रिप्लाई, वो सरप्राइज्ड नहीं था बिकॉज ही हैड फर्म फेथ इन गॉड. उसे पूरा भरोसा था कि गॉड उसके लेटर का रिप्लाई करेंगे, रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे एंड उसे हेल्प करेंगे. बट he was very angry when he received the letter. Why? Because he realized कि उसने 100 पीसोस मांगे थे बट उनको खाली 70 ही मिला. So further what he does is he again writes a letter to God conveying his disappointment and distrust in the employees of the post office who he thought had stolen the remaining amount. So जब लेंचो को पता चला कि 100 की जगह 70 पीसोस ही है, because he had blind faith on the God, उसने गॉड को कुछ नहीं कहा. उसने वापस एक लेटर लिखा और ये बोला कि ये जो पोस्ट ऑफिस वाले लोग हैं ये चोर है, इन लोगों ने मेरे 30 पीसोस चुरा लिए. सो नाउ इमेजिन, बस चैप्टर यहीं पे खत्म होता है. सो नाउ इमेजिन इफ द पोस्ट मास्टर रीड्स दिस सेकेंड लेटर, हाउ डिसअपॉइंटेड वुड ही बी. ही वॉज ट्राइंग टू हेल्प समबडी बट इंस्टेड उसी के ऊपर क्वेश्चन रेज हो गया था एंड लेंचो डिड नॉट ट्रस्ट हिम ओनली. So that's it for the chapter. I hope all of you have understood whatever I taught you. Thank you so much.